I welcome you to today's tutorial. I'm still on the mockups series. So, depending on where you're watching me from, I want to say thank you for watching all my videos and encouraging me by clicking like buttons. And please, if you're just joining me for the first time, kindly do well by subscribing to my channel. Also, click on the like button, click on the notification button for any video that I will be dropping. Today, this is what I really want us to learn in my class, how to do a roll-up banner mockup. And what is a roll-up banner? It has been defined in my previous class. And if you are just new here, please go to my YouTube channel and see for yourself, watch my video, my recent video, how you can create or make a roll-up mockup, or how you can do a mockup design. So like we said in my previous class, a mockup is a kind of presenting your design template in a better format for your clients or your customer to see and appreciate. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the practical aspect of mockup designs. Now this is my design. I've already done this. Okay, so my company or the company I'm working for asked me to do a roll-up banner design, so I can send this to them as a good and professional graphic designer. So what I need to do is to give them a template, a real template of how my or the outcome of my design or created template will look at the end of the day. So what you need to do, this is your CorelDRAW platform. You copy it by clicking Ctrl A, or you drag your mouse all over your object or your job. Then click on Ctrl E, which stands for export. Then name it. Name your job. Like me, I will name it with Rollup. Rollup. All right. Then export it. Make sure you know where your document is going. Mine is going to document file. Then click export. Click yes. All right. So this is it. Then any other thing here is perfect. Click OK. All right. So once you click OK, you go to your Photoshop. This is where what is it called? This is where mockup template works perfectly. You go to your Photoshop. All right. Go to your Photoshop. Click on File. Click on Open. Okay. Locate the name at which you use in saving. Rollup, Rollup, Rollup. Alright, this is it. Then open. Alright, once you finish opening, then you go to open again, or go to your file. Locate, like I have told you guys, there are ways you can download your mockup template. Alright, let me quickly do that. Go to your Google search. Alright, go to your Google search. Then let's search for free roll-up mockup. So you hold on while it's loading. Okay. Alright. Then look at this place very well. It has to be on all. So you click on all. So once you finish clicking, like I said to you in my previous class, make use of free pick mockups. Click on it. Still processing. I guess it's the network. So let me just wave this and go to where I have already stored my mockup templates. So all I need to do is to go there immediately. Okay. All right. So let's assume we are downloading a mockup. Then move to where I save all my roll-up templates. Rollup template. All right, this is mine. Then I have so many, so I'll quickly click on this. So it will automatically open in Photoshop because it is a Photoshop format. So this is it. Then the next thing for us to do is to locate this panel at the right hand side. Locate this panel at the right hand side. You can see this template design showing at this corner here. Then double click on this very smart object thumbnail. Double click on it, it will come up with this. Click OK. So once it comes this way, it has given you a kind of go ahead template to put in your design. So you come here and drag your design to this template. So it will override it, then adjust it accordingly. Can you see? Once it has been adjusted accordingly, then the next thing is to click on this mark object, this pass mark object. Click on it first. So once it's finished processing, click on Ctrl S, which is save. Ctrl S, save. Then after that, you go to where the template, the original template is. Click on it. Then here we go. This is our mock-up design for Rollup stand. So the next thing for you to do is to save it. Okay, you click on alternate. The saving on this aspect is different from just Ctrl S. All right, put this in mind. So what you need to do here is you click on Alt key, which is on your keyboard, alternate FA. All right, so to bring out this, then go to this aspect of saving your object. So you remove this Photoshop PSD, you save it with PNG. Locate it, click on it. All right, then change the name. Rollup stand. All right. So then you go to your file where you want it to be saved. All right. Click on PC. Click on Documents. That is where I usually save my jobs. All right. Then click Save. Then click OK. So this is the normal process at which you get your Rollup banner done and sent to your client. So you're still processing. So once it's finished processing, then you go to your CorelDRAW file and bring it out from there. Still processing. It has finished processing. So the next thing for us to do is to go to our CorelDRAW. All right. So go to your press Ctrl R, import. Okay. Then locate the name at which you use in saving your Rollup templates. Okay. All right. This is it here. Then click on it and import. Then enter. This is how Rollup mockup can be easily done. This is how Rollup mockup can be easily done. So guys, we'll be going to another series in this on this matter. So please, I would like you to join my class, my next class, as we'll be dishing out some other some other mockup techniques you can use for your t-shirt, face cap, mugs, banners, magazines, books, all these mockups templates. I will show you in my next class on how you can achieve this. So guys, God bless you for staying this long.